Now I will show you how to customize thumbnail. You can see this is for thumbnail that's showing in the thumbnail panel in the course. You can see 1, 2, 3 is customized thumbnail, but this one is default thumbnail. So my suggestion is make your course thumbnail so can help the students to recognize your course. There is 4 steps to customize thumbnail. Number 1 is prepare your picture. Choose your picture from website, or you can create from Photoshop or many edit website. You can use it to select the picture. Select the picture who relate with your course. So step 2 is select your course. Step 3, choose edit setting panel, and then step 4, upload thumbnail. Okay, let's customize your thumbnail for the first time. Please log in to NU e-learning. And then choose your course that you will be customize your thumbnail. I choose Indonesian 1. First step is prepare your picture. I already prepared my picture in here. One picture for put it in the thumbnail course Indonesian 1. And then step 2 is click edit setting. And then choose in the below and you can drag and drop files here to add them. So I will drag my picture in here. The pictures already appear in here. Don't forget to save and display. Okay, right now let's check our thumbnail. My thumbnail. Course Indonesian 1. Yes, course Indonesian 1 with this thumbnail. So let's make your thumbnail and then let's show to the students so they can recognize your thumbnail. Thank you.